Warpugs. I lost a bet, and this is my penance. Not gonna go over what the bet was, but this is my penance. I am now going to watch people. This is people versus nature. This is outdoor fails. And I'm going to cringe internally until I collapse inside. Warpugs. This is the first time I've ever checked something out like this. Is like a compilation video, so we're gonna check this out. I'm gonna cry inside. Let's jump into this. Oh god, why am I doing this? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's just jump right in, and it's time to cry. Let's go.
Here we go!
Bruh, no, is this one? Okay, this isn't stupid people, but I'm.
La manta de agua que está entrando ahora mismo. Increíble, increíble, increíble.
Oh, hell no. You better go faster. Bruh, you're cooked. That's a bad day. That's a really bad day. Oh, no. Oh my. Yeah, oh my, yeah. Woo. Bruh. I don't need to go anywhere today. Look. I mean, cool shot, bro.
You see the inside of it? Oh my gosh, look!
Okay, I gotta admit, that's pretty good. That's pretty nice. Your chest should be, like, carved up right now.
Sério?
Ooh, boy. What are you doing, man? Oh. Ooh, boy. Welcome to the North Sea. Yep, welcome to the North Sea. You're stupid. You're stupid. Why? Why would you do that?
Human Valley Trade Corp.
Oh, hell no.
Do you reckon you can,
Blowing everything our way.
Including the roof.
Okay then. Oh, that was during the Japan earthquake. My God, I've seen this clip before. That is just. This is so much no.
Angry.
Yeah, you had to say. No, dude, what are you doing next to the window?
Coming quick.
Oh, my GoPro's up.
Oh.
Ooh, dude, that is... Man, I'm telling you what, now, one, I don't appreciate the jump scare that's about to happen, but two, volcanic lightning is some eerie stuff to watch. It's one of the most beautiful sights in nature, in my opinion. It's one of the absolute most beautiful sights in nature. It is just, like, devastatingly beautiful, really. And, yeah.
This thing is huge.
Hell.
Yeah, she's gonna get us.
Nah. Look at you. Why? Why are you standing there with that thing right? I don't care if you've seen it 1,000 times. I don't care if it's a dust devil. I don't care. I just don't care. Why are you just standing there?
Just moving. Oh my god. Of course, right? Okay. Oh dear.
Is it gone? Oh, God! Oh! Oh, that's not nice, that one. Right into the post.
Oof.
Ala, nangisog na siya, oh. So, grabe. Nangisog siya. Up! Oh!
Okay.
What?
Bruh. Bruh. That sucks. You know what? To be honest with you, that would be cool to see, but not be in the middle of. I'm just saying. I don't want to get hit by a tent. Oh, no. You're dumb. Why would you even do that? Yep, go back inside. That's exactly what you should do. Just go back inside. Don't even worry about it.
Oh my god! Sean! Sean! No! You broke the window!
Look at him go! He's so pretty!
Oh, he's just trying to be a good boy. You saw a snack.
Sonny! Sonny just swallowed the turtle!
That ain't no bounce house of fun no more. No, dude. No. Stop. Why? Why are you doing this? What are you... Look, I don't need to know what's coming out of there, okay? What in the world's that? Okay, that's cool. I don't care. That's cool. I'm just saying. No, I hope not, no. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, man. That sucks. Yep, guess so. Bruh, what? What in the world? Good catch, man. Good catch. Nice. What are you doing? Hey! 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 Oh, you're cold. Oh, you are cold right now, my guy. Hell no. I don't care if they're non-poisonous. I don't care if they're non-poisonous. That's a no from me. Look at him. Dude, that's either one of two things. That's something from your worst nightmare, or Medusa is just chilling underground. I'm just saying. Schnick. Oh. Now you're stalled. Now you don't have anything to... You ain't gonna restart, dude. Oh, man. That's an insurance claim. What are you doing? What are you doing? You know he's mad. You know he's mad. You know he's mad. Oh, dude.
Wow. Oh, that looks like it's coming here, yo.
Come to us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got some coming down.
Oh. Whoa! Oh. What are you? No, don't do. You dummy! Ugh. Like, how can you. Bruh, no. Sir, you need to step outside. Or I do. You just let me know which one of us needs to go.
Come here.
No.
Come here, bear.
You're dumb. Do not tempt fate. Dude, close the door.
Come here, bear.
You're an idiot. You're dumber. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! They wouldn't put this on there if that guy was gone. But I'm cutting that out just in case. Oh no. What the hell? That's legit. I like it.
Getting real.
Somebody's getting sued. Oh, that's... I cannot... Like, I have been through a minor earthquake before. A minor one, like 4.5, I think. I think that's the biggest earthquake I've ever been through was the 4.5. And that was enough for me. That was more than enough for me. I never wanted to go through another one in my life. It was just... That is one of the worst experiences ever. So when I see things like this, where, you know, situations like this, I just can't even imagine for a split second just how that would feel, and I never want to know. It's one of those experiences like, it's like, I just don't want to know. And I don't need to. I've been through that. Yep, I've been through that. War Pugs, you might remember me going through this, something like this. Good God. No. 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 Bro. Mm-mm. And people think they could take that thing in a fist fight. There are people dumb enough to believe they can take something like that in a fist fight. You better... Mm-mm. No. There was... Hell no.
How's the conditions today?
Oh, bro. Whoa. Get this man a heater ASAP.
How are the conditions today?
Oh, they're really good. I'm about to go get some waves.
Oh my! Did you see that?
Sucks. Okay, that was cool. I gotta say it. That was just cool. Nah. Okay, that. Why are you driving? Why are you driving? There is a dozen places that you need to be that ain't there. Oh boy. And boom! Really?
I don't know what you guys have going on, but this is my house. And you... Oh my God!
Go play the lottery, because you just had perfect timing right now. Hell no. Ooh. Yep. I don't know why you're standing there. I've seen too many of those. I've seen too many of those right there. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm good. I'm leaving it there. I'm just gonna leave it alone. You stay over there. Bruh. No. I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this right now. I was driving home from work one day. This is like far before, I think way before I set up this channel. I would have said something about it. Yeah, it was probably about a year and a half before I started doing anything on the channel. But I was living in Reno at the time, and there was this mountain that I drove in between California and Reno every day for work. And lightning struck the mountainside when I was driving by it. And by the time I got past the mountain, the flames had gone so fast, half the mountain was on fire. It was so surreal. And part of me sat there and said, pull off the road and just film this on your phone. And then I sat there and thought to myself, if I do this, I'm a damned idiot. Oh my God, that is insane looking. Nope. Nope, I ain't even filming it. I'm walking away.
Oh my god, everything's really flying around.
Woo! I don't need to be there. You're happy. I'm happy for you, but damn, son. Nope. Yeah. Oh God, I would not be calm in that situation.
Nuts.
was
These
that?
people gotta get moving.
Look at the shit falling out of the sky. That's what that is. I was like, look at it, honey. The branches freaking from the thing is pulling them up in the air. We might have to go.
Hey,
I saw big trees falling.
No.
Pra fora, bicho burro.
He just wants to come inside and sit on the couch, man. Let that little man, let him in. He's cracked. Let him in. He's gonna get...
Que susto! Ele quer entrar de qualquer jeito.
I don't need it. Nope. Brother. This is the South, but instead of being like that, the mosquitoes will be about that big. That's beautiful. That's so beautiful, but God, no. Oh my. Welcome back. Welcome back, Jesus. You've just arrived. That was awesome. I'm not even gonna lie, that was awesome. Why are you still driving? I don't care what's over there, I don't need to go.
Come on,
Dude, no. I'm not smiling, I'm not laughing in this instance. Nope. What are you laughing about? If your tire goes flat, that thing's gonna flatten you. Nope. That sucks.
It rained in New York City. You cannot get off the train. Look at this. Oh my God.
You think you're cute?
Hey!
Coming around. Coming around. It's coming this way.
Look at that. No.
Okay. Let's just get the pedal.
Hell no. What are you doing? No. No. Hell hell no, no.
Gently.
This is my garage.
Dude.
Front door, as you can see.
Nice. Real nice. That sucks. That really sucks.
He's going in for the kill, homeboy.
As much as I really want one of those kayaks, I would never be that far from shore. I would not be on the ocean. No.
There he goes. I'm gonna run his ass over.
You're... No. I don't need to know. You best. Oh, that turkey be having an issue with me because I'm fat. He looks good. Nah. That's...
Look at the shark, bro. Look at the shark. Look at the shark coming in. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. He's on you, dude. He's on you, dude. He's on you. Oh, man. Look at... Oh, my gosh. Oh! Holy smokes, dude. Did you see that?
Nope. That sucks. See, this is what I was talking about before. This thing just... He ain't even trying either. He's just like... Man, I wonder what happens if I flip this thing over.
Water, Whitchurch, / Rory Griffiths, / water.
I'm about to watch something really stupid here. Here we go.
Flat out, Massey. Oh, I get wet here. Oh, yeah.
That was a tracker. He's fine. Okay, that was different than what I expected. It was different than what I expected. Entirely different than what I expected. Dude, I don't want to mess around with nature. I don't want that to happen at all. I don't want to be on one of these. I just don't think that'd be smart for me, okay? I think, you know, I like to go hiking in the woods and stuff like that, but if I ever notice that there's going to be something like, I don't know, a bear around, I'm evacuating. You know why? Because me and animals that can eat me, we don't get along too well. I'm a firm believer, I'm a firm member of PETA, people eating tasty animals. I don't want to be, you know, the other way around. I just don't want it to be that way. I'm just saying. I'm very comfortable with my position. Oh my god, I can't believe I watched this. Guys, if you've followed me for a bit and you've seen shenanigans with me and everything like that, you know that the one thing that gets me more than anything is watching people do things that I just know they shouldn't do. It's some of the most comical stuff, but when people are doing just like, you know how this is gonna end. Look at the guy with the fly swatter on TV. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? You know what's gonna happen if you do that, so why did you do it? You know, I just remember my dad sitting there looking at me after I did something fairly stupid. He just stared at me. He was like, God, that I raised that. He just turned around and walked off. We all do stupid stuff every once in a while. Just don't make a habit out of it. And if you're dumb enough to sit there and go up to a wild animal, don't film yourself doing it. Because I don't want to see that stuff. I really don't. It hurts my heart. Some people do want to see that stuff. But I was never a fan of that. Guys, I'm going to take off out of here. This is from Failarmy. I'm going to have all the links in the description below. I'm going to cry inside now. I'm going to head out from here. I hope you guys had a good time with this. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Join as a member or Patreon for early access. I watch Casual Geographic and this. Nature. You gotta love it. Nope.